Welcome to PBIVizEdit tool. If you want to use bar and line combo chart, you need to click on this modify visual. After reaching here, if you are a new user, you need to click on this below link and register with us. And after registration, fill all the details here and log in. After reaching on this page, you need to click on library and reach to your visual which you want to import. You can reach here by an alternative way. For that, you need to go for the visual page and then click modify visual. After clicking modify visual, this time the system will automatically take you to visual editor page. You can go either way, it's the same result. Once you log in, the editor screen opens up. Let me give you a very quick overview the way it organized. The left panel deals with all the chart and the data. The middle panel deals with all the formatting options for your visual. And the right panel is where you select your data as well as see the trending of your visual. For formatting, you can go in these formatting options. Like if you want to reduce thickness, you can do it from here or increase it from here. Like this, you can format your visual as per your need. One thing to notice, the data used here is a simple data, but when you export the visual, the data will be used what you have in Power BI. So if you connecting to a SQL database or an Excel file or any other data source, you would see that this sample data will not be associated with the exported visual. So this for just demonstration purpose or looking at how the visual looks like in real time. In the upper section, here you can switch in multiple visual editors if you have multiple ones. From here you can export your visual. We have some additional edit settings and as well as documentation for your help. For a user who wants to use it right away, we have already created a visual for you. All you need to do is go to export visual and fill these data fields. Like here you can change this name or you can leave it as it is. Here you need to put your name, your email ID. One important thing, do change the GUID by clicking refresh. This is important because this GUID has to be unique for your visual. So when you are using this visual in your Power BI dashboard, this ID has to be unique. It should not have a conflict with any other GUID from the marketplace or any of the visual you might used before. If you are doing an update to the visual and this is not your first time, we recommend keeping the GUID the same because that will help with update. But if you are not updating and this is your very first download, please click on this refresh button and create a new GUID for your visual. This will ensure that there is no conflict with any other marketplace visual. In the field section, we have selected some important thing, but you can select or unselect as per your need or as you like in your visual within these options. Same in format, we have selected some important thing, but you can select or unselect from here as your like your visual. In plot, you can select line color or unselect, line opacity, connect gaps as you want within these options. All of these options should be enough for your visual. If you are opting to a single time download, I would recommend you to choose all options because you will not get second chance after you pay and download. So we recommend tick all the options, those are here if you are on a subscription plan. However, we recommend selecting the options that are necessary to you. This will help avoid clutter in your Power BI visual. If you need another visual, you can always come back and select additional options or deselect them. Okay, once we are ready and we are satisfied with all the changes here, we recommend you to export the free visual, try it out, and when you are happy, you can go and make a purchase by clicking this pay and export button. And there is a subscription option as well. So if I click on export now, It will take a minute or two, depends upon how busy this server is. As you can see here, visual has been downloaded successfully. Now let's go to the Power BI and let's explore our visual. To import visual in Power BI, you need to click on these three dots. Go to import visual from file, import, go to the relevant folder where you have downloaded the visual, click that and open it. Import is successful. Now as you can see this tiny icon, by click this, we get our visual. Let's drag it a little bit. Now we are going to fill our data fields here. In x-axis I want bars, so revenue first, and in y-axis month, and for line I want PRF. Let's add tooltip as number of star. Now let's do little bit formatting of our visual. To change overall chart setting, we can increase our font size here, and it looks better now. Legend, increase a little bit text size. X1 axis is fine for me, but if you want to change, you can just come here and change from these options as you want. If you want grid lines off, you just click to off here, and grid lines are off, but I want them, so I am clicking them back. So like this you can change in Y1 also. I don't want to change them, so it's fine for me. Now I am going to make some changes in plot 0. Let's increase some label font size. It's fine now. And in plot 1 also we are increasing some text size. It's looking good. You can also change general setting as well for properties and title. If you want custom title, you can just put here settings of title like this. Basic effects, like if you want to show shadow, just click on and it is visible. We hope you're able to create some powerful insights using this bar with line combo chart. And do let us know if you face any issues by contacting us through the email provided on our website. Thank you so much.